Video was looking at Scruffy, and he didn't like this at all. And the fat controller spoke to you next. You listen. They're all your time. He said, but sir, said Scruffy, I'm a truck. I didn't know this. Oh, yes, you can. Now shut up. Or, and I don't want to hear another word out of your mouth. Scruffy said, be quiet. Then, Tom had walked away. Ha, Scruffy. At least I want to say, but I shall wait until. But then he go to sleep. But then it was getting late when he remembered. Maybe I can wait for my goods train tomorrow. Maybe I'll wait for my goods train tomorrow. He said today. And he went to sleep. Oops. Anyways, Scruffy. Sleep the next morning. Then Scruffy, he forgot. He wasn't on a train. You were using other trucks. Oh no, said Scruffy. I forgot. God, I'm excited. Help, help. Someone, pick me up, pick me up. But no one could. Every time they passed Scruffy, they wouldn't talk to him. Oh, this was terrible. Then Liddy passed by with some tanker. Lady usually said hi to Scruffy, but today she didn't, and she continued. Yeah. Oh, said Scruffy, this is terrible. I'll never be seen again. And then it became a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks. Scruffy was getting really tired. Oh, said, this is terrible. I'm never going to be the same troop again. It soon became a month. 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, and 8 months. Scruffy went gone. Oh! I said, what do I do? So, but one day, that was all about to change. Oliver came down the track. Hi, Scruffy. He said, isn't it a wonderful day? The fat controller was put you on a goods train. Hooray! Said Scruffy. And then Scruffy said, oh, I'm so dirty. And Rusty was here. Oh, don't worry, Silver. It'll be alright. And he bumped Scruffy hard. Oh, said Scruffy, I don't like this. And then all heckin' and he was creaking and groaning. Help, he said, I'm coming apart. Rubbish, said Oliver. You're not coming apart. But Scruffy was this macho rock reading clearing. Oh, ouch, he said, stop. But then bombs went off and Scruffy collapsed off the track. Cinders and ashes, said Oliver. That was amazing. The fat controller. Well, Scruffy, he said, you want to become a part of a smash piece. Maybe you could go and see your friend Rickety at the work. Scruffy wanted to go see her. All he could do is get away with that controller.